Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name is Dean Ashton, and today I'm on board a brand new trade that just came in. It's a 2023 Sea Ray 250 SDX Outboard. You'll see in the photos the boat has the horizon gray hull sides, have a black tower with black bimini top. For power, we've set the boat up with the 300 horsepower V8. Nice big swim platform here. When this seat slid back, gives you nice ass-facing seating, big swim platform for everybody to hang out on board. And then the other cool feature, when you want the space inside the boat, this will slide back, backrest will flip back, and give you a lot of interior space. As you walk through the transom walkway, you have your freshwater sprayer and stereo controls. Easy access to your battery switches here. Not only is there sea deck on the swim platform, but you also have it throughout the entire cockpit and bow of the boat. Nice L-shaped seating on the port side. Both the companion seat and helm seat have your adjustable backrest to give you aft-facing loungers. As I'd mentioned earlier, the boat has a black sports arch with black bimini top. It also has the upgraded tower speakers. Opposing facing seating on the starboard side behind the captain's chair. Have your Simrad digital dash. This gives you all of your GPS functions as well as all of your Sea Ray gauges flow through there. Fusion stereo, which is Bluetooth. Digital throttle and shift. Flip up bolster and adjustable steering wheel at the helm. Inside the console, you get a ton of space. We have the cushion package here, opening port window, pump out head. As we make our way up to the bow of the boat, you have a port side pass-through up to the bow, which gives you a 3-wide seat in the bow seating. You also noticed inside the cabin head area of the boat was the bow filler cushion, so it does come with that. You have another freshwater sprayer up here at the bow of the boat, as well as a bow boarding ladder with designated anchor locker. So this is a real quick look at this 2023 Sea Ray 250 SDX trade. This boat has about 52 hours on it. If you'd like some more information, give us a call at 910-256-8100.